In this video, we will study about leaf in detail. So there may be two types of leaves, simple and compound. Means simple leaf and compound leaf. Simple leaf. A simple leaf has one leaf blade or lamina. The leaves of mango, papaya, guava, etc. are simple leaves. Whereas compound leaves. A compound leaf is one in which the leaf blade is clearly divided into many distinct parts called leaflets. The leaves of rose, neem, and gulmohar are examples of compound leaf. You can see in the diagram that this is a simple leaf, whereas in case of compound leaf, many leaflets can be seen. So there are two types of leaves, simple leaves as well as compound leaf. Venations of leaves. The arrangement of veins and veinlets on the leaf blade is known as venation. There are two types of venations, parallel venation and reticulate venation. How many types of venation are there? There are two types of venation, parallel venation as well as reticulate venation. So we should know what is venation. The arrangement of leaves, the arrangement of veins and veinlets on the leaf blade is known as venation. So let's discuss about parallel venation. In this type of venation, the vein of the leaves run parallel to each other. For example, leaves of maize, fan palm and banana. You can see in the diagram, this is what type of venation can be seen in this? Parallel venation. So the veins are running parallel to each other. Whereas in reticulate venation, the veins and veinlets of leaves are interconnected over the entire lamina, forming a web-like network. For example, leaves of castor, peepal, and mango. We can see this is reticulate venation. In this, veins are connected or are spread throughout the leaf and are connected to the lamina. Let's discuss about functions of leaves. So let's see what are all its functions. First function is to manufacture of food. So leaves prepare, we already know that leaves prepare the food in plants. So the main function of leaves is to prepare food for plants. What is the function? Main function of leaves is to prepare food for plants. Green leaves prepare food for plants in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll by the process called photosynthesis. So, what is photosynthesis? So, photosynthesis is the process by which green plants prepare the food using sunlight and chlorophyll. That process is called as photosynthesis. In this process, the leaves use carbon dioxide and water to prepare food in the form of starch. So food is prepared in the form of starch. Oxygen gas is released in this process. As the green leaves prepare food for the plant, they are also called as food factory of plants. So why the leaves are called food factory of plant? The leaves are called as food factory of the plants because they prepare food for the plants. So in the form of equation we can write down that plants use carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight in chlorophyll, starch and oxygen gas is produced. In this way we can write down the Process of photosynthesis. This is the equation form. They use carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight in chlorophyll. What is produced? Starch and oxygen gas are produced. Second function is transpiration. Excess water absorbed by the roots of plant is released into the air through tiny pores present over the lower surface of leaves. These tiny pores are called as stomata. So what is stomata? Tiny pores present on the lower surface of leaves are called as stomata. Process of releasing excess water by the plant is called transpiration. It keeps the plant cool. So what is transpiration? The process of loss of excess of water by the plants is called transpiration. It keeps the plant cool. So main thing is that it keeps the plant cool. Third function of leaf is to exchange of gases or gaseous exchange. During the day, for performing photosynthesis, plant take carbon dioxide and release oxygen through the stomata. Plants, like other living organisms, respire continuously day and night. In this process of respiration, they take oxygen and release carbon dioxide through stomata. So, what did the plant leaves in plants do? They take in carbon dioxide and oxygen gas is released by the help of stomata present in the leaf. So gaseous exchange also takes place with the help of leaves. During the day, as a result of photosynthesis, the oxygen gas released by the plants is used by the other living organisms for their respiration. So the gas that has been released by the plant is used by the other organisms for respiration. As a result of respiration, the plant releases carbon dioxide, which is poisonous in nature. Therefore, it is not advisable to sleep under the tree at night. So, why it is not advisable to sleep under the tree at night? Because the plants respire in night and releases poisonous gas carbon dioxide. So it's not advisable to sleep under the tree in the night.